much food I put in the refrigerator, I need to recharge my battery because my battery is only like 38 or 60%. I need to get up at least 50%.
After 1/2 mile, turn right.
So that it can run my refrigerator overnight, and then hopefully you can recharging it tomorrow. But for now, I'm not going to the museum. Maybe next time, at least I know it's this road. But I'm only 4 minutes away from my campground. Okay, see ya, bye. We're here. Hopefully there's phone signal here. like it's a big area where you can have ATV 4x4. I'm here at the Redondo Park in Fort Sumner, New Mexico. You can see the park is over there, and these are some trails that you can ride your 4x4s or even motorcycles. So it's sandy. You need 4x4 or else we get stuck. And I camp over there. So you can see there are several campers here. So this is my first time here. I don't know how good this place is, but we will see. But I've been talking and it didn't record, so I have to go back up. Take 2. So this is the 4x4 trail. It's so sandy, you can see. And it forks to the right, and then there's one to the left. And it's like 4:30 in the afternoon here. The sun is hot, but the temperature is like 70s. So it's a little bit comfortable with the rain. It's not gonna be too cold like where I was yesterday or today. So this is my first stay. This will be the first night to stay here. I parked right here away from the other campers. That way, I don't know. It's just like that's the first one I saw that was like empty, and there's one over there. There's a lot more empty spaces than one near the entrance over that way. So what do you think, guys? New Mexico, Fort Sumner. I think this is Redondo Park. Okay, thanks, bye. Here's my camping setup. So windy, so this will be noisy. That's where I entered from there. That's the road. Then I enter there, turn around, rving and straight that way. So I turn around there. So I just found this spot right here at the crossroads. So I thought it's good to camp here because the tree is giving me shade for the afternoon sun, and I'm away from the other people, so I think this is good. Okay, what do you think, guys? Good camping spot. That side there's other campers, and I think there's a big pond over there, so that's probably, they call it a lake, Redondo Lake. It must be because it's probably around, or the city is called Redondo. Okay, since it's cloudy and my battery is down to like 19 or 18% and I cannot recharge, and there's nothing else to do here, so I figured I'll just go to the Billy the Kid Museum or Visitor Center. It's right here in Fort Sumner. So this campground is close to it. It's like 4 miles. So I'll go check it out, and my refrigerator is running using my 12 volts cigarette lighter. That way I will save some of the batteries and maybe extend the power I would need for it to be running. So I'll wait. Hopefully the sun will show up later and I can recharge my solar battery, but right now I just want to use, since I'm gonna use my engine to recharge, to run my refrigerator, I might as well drive and go see a museum, and hopefully it's open and we'll see what we'll discover. Okay, see ya, bye. Let's check to see the camping ground.
Turn left.
Just wanna look what it looks like. There's a place to camp here. I know there's a campground here. It's a nice camping area. 53 degrees. So this is the exit. And maybe later I'll try to see if that other side is good for camping. Okay, this is going out and it's very deep.
50 feet, turn left.
It's got deep ruts. It's rough road here, but it's quiet except that when the wind was blowing, because it was so windy, I could smell some. I thought there were like flowers maybe, but it smells like chemical, organic solvents. So I don't know, it was very sweet smell. So I don't know if it's because it's spring and a lot of flowers are flowering, but I think I thought. But anyway, we're going out. And this is the entrance exit. The camp, I didn't see any sign. So we're going to the Billy the Kid Museum and see what we can find. Okay, see you later. So I was wrong. This is the flower that was giving that smell, that sweet smell. So this is what was the smell was I was smelling yesterday. So I don't know what flower is this one is. So if you know, please let me know. But this is what it is. I can smell it right now. It's so sweet. It's like a candy or food. Perfume. Hello, good morning. Today the forecast is gonna be so windy and then it will be windy again tomorrow. So I decided I'll go to another campground and see if it's not too windy, because if it's so windy it's hard to sleep, it's so noisy. But otherwise the weather should be good. This campground is good. It's got a lot of strong signal for the phone, so I think I would like to camp here again next time I pass through this area. It's so good and it's not too noisy, and I'm far from the main road. The road is way out there, that line there, up beyond that pond where people are fishing. So overall this campground is good, recommended. Okay, bye bye.